Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. Samsung has always pushed the boundaries of innovation, but this time, they've outdone themselves. If you think you've seen it all, think again, because the S25 Ultra is redefining what a flagship device should be. Let's start with the design. Imagine holding a device that feels like it's all screen, a nearly bezel-less display that melts seamlessly into the body. The leaked renders from reputable sources like Ice Universe reveal a futuristic aesthetic, making the S25 Ultra a visual masterpiece. It's not just about looks, though. The use of titanium in colors like titanium blue, titanium black, and titanium white adds a level of durability and luxury that's hard to beat. And for those who want exclusivity, the online-only shades like titanium jet black and titanium pink gold are nothing short of stunning. This phone is not just a device, it's a statement. Now, let's talk performance. The S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, a processor that promises unparalleled speed and efficiency. This means you can game, edit videos, and multitask like never before. And with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 TB of storage, this device is built to handle anything you throw at it. Imagine editing 4K videos on your phone without a hitch, or storing thousands of high-resolution photos without worrying about space. But the magic doesn't stop there. The display on the S25 Ultra is a 6.9-inch LTPO AMOLED 2X panel with an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just scrolling through social media, the visuals are buttery smooth and incredibly vibrant. The 2X technology also ensures better energy efficiency, meaning you get more out of your battery without compromising on performance. Speaking of cameras, this is where Samsung is pulling out all the stops. The S25 Ultra features a groundbreaking 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10 optical zoom telephoto lens. This setup isn't just about taking photos, it's about capturing memories in unprecedented detail. Whether it's a sweeping landscape or a close-up shot from hundreds of meters away, the clarity is jaw-dropping. And for video enthusiasts, the phone supports 8K recording at 30s, turning your everyday moments into cinematic masterpieces. But what about battery life? Samsung understands that power is nothing without endurance. The S25 Ultra is equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery that easily lasts through a day of heavy usage. And when you do need to recharge, the 45W fast charging gets you back to 100% in no time. Whether you're traveling, working, or gaming, this phone is designed to keep up with your lifestyle. The software experience is another area where Samsung is setting a new standard. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the S25 Ultra offers a user experience that's both intuitive and highly customizable. Features like improved multitasking, smarter AI capabilities, and enhanced privacy settings make this one of the most user-friendly interfaces out there. And let's not forget the 7 years of software updates, a promise that ensures your device stays secure and up-to-date for years to come. But wait, there's more. Samsung is rumored to be releasing the Galaxy S25 Slim, a compact version of the Ultra that still packs a punch. With a 6.7-inch display and potentially the same 200MP camera, this could be a game changer for those who prefer smaller devices. And if that's not enough, Samsung is also diving into the world of extended reality with the Project Move XR headset. This device could revolutionize how we interact with content, blending the virtual and physical worlds in ways we've never seen before. Pricing for the S25 Ultra starts at $1,299 for the 12GB RAM model, with the 1 TB variant expected to retail for $1,659. Considering the features and technology packed into this device, it's a price point that makes sense. Samsung is clearly positioning itself as the leader in the flagship market, taking on competitors like Apple and Google with confidence. So what does all this mean for you? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is more than just a phone. It's an ecosystem of innovation. From its cutting-edge design to its powerful performance and revolutionary camera system, this device is setting a new benchmark for what a smartphone can be. What feature excites you the most? Is it the stunning design, the mind-blowing camera, or the incredible performance? Let us know in the comments below.